We're sailing in a frickin' storm out here. Look at that action. Gotta keep the sails loose so she don't just get beat to death out here. Right. Look at her taking off. She's fucking cruising. You're out a little bit. Try to sail one-handed here. The sheets out. Boom. Pop it around. Almost tacked. Well, let's go this way then. There we go. Come on. Get on that tack. There we go. We about got ran into shore. Yeah, it's gusting too. It's swirling. And that what? The wind keeps changing direction. That's crazy. There we go. Look at that sun now. There we go. There we go. Alright, you gotta haul it in before you tack. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna quit filming. This is getting brutal.